Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the stick and selecting the TV input. Plug the Android TV stick into an HDMI port and connect its 5V power. Use the included 2A adapter if available, because TV USB can underpower it. Once done, change the TV input to that HDMI. You should see the boot logo, pair the remote, or use your phone as a temporary controller. Make sure your Wi-Fi network name and password are handy so you can connect during setup. You now complete the guided setup and network connection. Select language and accept the EULA, then connect to your Wi-Fi network. If possible, use 5 GHz for less interference. Use an Ethernet adapter for the most stable stream. Once online, sign into your Google account to sync apps and preferences. This unlocks Chromecast and voice features. After signing in, allow necessary permissions like location and storage so apps update and run correctly. Make sure system updates finish before installing many apps. You finish by installing essential apps and tuning settings. Open Play Store to add streaming services, a preferred launcher, and optional tools like a file manager or VPN. Then set display resolution and audio output to match your TV for best quality. Once apps update, stream a video to verify playback and responsiveness. If you run into issues, no image, network errors, or stuttering, power cycle the stick and router first, check the USB power source, and only then perform a factory reset if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.